So I ordered the RG19 spotter arm from Valor Fitness for my TruGrit rack. And this is the unboxing. I wanted to make sure you see. It's just mailed in a box, so they got it wrapped pretty well here. They look very similar to the TruGrit version, except the pins on the TruGrit are the 5/8, and these are the 1-inch pins. And the pins are on the side of the, are locked into the side of the beams. Yes, they do fit, and they fit quite well, actually. You'd think these were actually made by TruGrit. Locking pins there, the holes, everything works perfect. This is how the pins come out, the 1-inch pins. Now on the TruGrit, the pins are on the side, or mount to the side of the 5/8 inch hole. And I got these for $119 a pair. They are a 3x3 set of spotter arm, and they are sturdy. Looks good. I just want to update the TruGrit wall-mounted rack. I conducted squats today, and as you can see, the massive J-cup is at the top hole, the top 1-inch hole here on the rack. All the holes above it are 5/8 inches. Now, not a problem for me. It's perfect for me, actually. I'm 6 foot tall, but if you're taller than 6 feet, this could be a problem. Unless you mount this bracket and this plate higher and bring the holes up here. And then you could, well, if you're super tall, you could buy some 5/8 inch J-cups for these racks. They make them, maybe not TruGrit, but someone does. Everything seems to be working out really well with this rack. I like it. I like it a lot. Just some constructive criticism for TruGrit about the holes. 6 foot tall. It's at the top hole right now.